Hello everyone, welcome back to PlantCareGarden, where we care for Anthurium so they stay healthy and beautiful. We all want strong roots, glossy leaves, and blooms that last longer, stay vibrant, and look more beautiful every day. In today's video, I'll share a very simple but effective care method that helps Anthuriums absorb nutrients better, protect the roots, nourish the leaves, and keep the flowers fresh longer. Watch until the end so we can explore a gentle, safe, and easy Anthurium care method you can use right at home. The first ingredient I'm choosing today is a fresh turmeric root, a familiar natural ingredient that can be very useful in caring for Anthuriums. I slice the turmeric into small pieces so the natural compounds inside can be released more effectively when soaked in water. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm very happy to welcome you to PlantCareGarden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect and share with one another from all around the world. After slicing, I place all the cut turmeric into a clean glass jar to begin preparing a natural care solution for the plant. Next, I combine the prepared turmeric with coffee powder, a familiar natural ingredient that can add more organic matter to this plant care solution. I add 3 teaspoons of coffee powder to the glass jar containing the turmeric. Then pour in 1,000 milliliters of boiling water to help extract the natural compounds from the ingredients. Then, I stir the mixture well so the ingredients disperse more evenly in the water, giving the solution a richer and more even golden color. Finally, I let the solution steep for about 2 hours so the natural components can be released more effectively before straining and using it on the plant. After soaking the turmeric and coffee mixture for about 2 hours, I strain out all the residues so I only keep the liquid that contains the natural compounds extracted from the ingredients. This straining step is very important because it keeps the solution cleaner, reduces residue buildup in the growing medium, protects the root system, and lowers the risk of fungal growth. Next, I add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the solution, making the mixture gentler and safer for the Anthurium. When properly diluted, the turmeric and coffee solution becomes easier for the plant to absorb, does not shock the roots or leaves, and works well for regular care. With this method, we now have a natural, gentle, and very easy to use solution for the plant. Method 1. I use a soft cotton pad soaked in a turmeric and coffee solution, then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves, moving from the center outward to the edges so the solution spreads evenly without damaging the delicate leaf surface. This step helps remove fine dust, residue, and surface buildup over time because when the leaf surface is covered, its ability to absorb light is reduced and photosynthesis can no longer work as efficiently as it should. Turmeric offers a very gentle natural cleansing effect that helps keep the leaf surface cleaner and more stable. While properly diluted coffee can help the leaves look cleaner, richer in color, and healthier with a natural shine when applied the right way. When the leaf surface becomes cleaner and more open, the stomata can function more steadily, gas exchange becomes smoother, and the plant can use light more effectively to produce the energy needed to support the leaves, roots, and overall growth. When the plant maintains healthy foliage, strong photosynthesis, and steady energy accumulation, it builds a stronger physiological foundation for flower bud differentiation, which supports bud formation and helps the plant bloom more consistently under proper growing conditions. With this method, you should apply it about once every 7 to 10 days. And not too often because the leaves also need time to stabilize naturally, with the best time to do it being in the cool morning or late afternoon. Method 2. I pour the diluted turmeric and coffee solution into a spray bottle. Then mist it lightly and evenly over the entire Anthurium canopy, covering both the upper and lower leaf surfaces so the solution reaches the plant more evenly without leaving too much moisture behind. A fine mist works very well because it spreads the solution into a thin layer that coats the leaves more evenly, especially the undersides, where many stomata are located, and where fine dust or residue can build up during routine care. When the turmeric and coffee solution is used at a mild concentration, it gently supports surface cleaning, helping the leaves stay cleaner, more breathable, and better able to maintain their natural physiological functions. Turmeric helps gently cleanse the leaf surface, while properly diluted coffee can help the leaves appear richer, fresher, and healthier, as long as it is not sprayed too heavily and does not leave the surface for too long. When the leaves are cleaner and more open, the plant can absorb light more efficiently and photosynthesize more effectively, improving its ability to produce energy, store nutrients, and distribute them better to the leaves, stem, and especially the developing root system below the growing medium. With this method, you should apply it once every 7 to 10 days, ideally in the early morning or late afternoon so the leaves can dry more naturally. Method 3. I use a diluted turmeric and coffee solution to gently water the entire Anthurium growing medium, allowing it to gradually soak into the root zone, which directly determines the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. As it moves into the medium, the solution helps maintain a more stable root environment, allowing the growing mix to stay evenly moist, more breathable, and better suited for efficient root activity without becoming compacted or waterlogged. When the root zone is healthy and functioning steadily, the plant can absorb water and minerals more efficiently, which supports energy production, nourishes the leaves and stem, and maintains balanced growth throughout the plant. This is a very important foundation because a stable root system helps Anthurium distribute nutrients more efficiently and creates better conditions for flower bud differentiation and bud formation in the next stage of growth. After watering, I let the solution soak into the growing medium for about 10 minutes so the roots can absorb it more steadily. After soaking in the solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift the plant out and let it drain before moving to the next step so the root zone does not stay wet for too long. Method 4. I use a soft cotton cloth to gently Dry the entire leaf surface, the Anthurium, including the upper side, underside, veins, and petioles, which are the areas that tend to hold moisture longer. This is a very important step because if moisture remains on the leaves for too long, the leaf surface becomes less breathable and can interfere with the plant's natural transpiration and gas exchange. Gently drying the leaves after treatment helps the leaf surface return more quickly to a clean, dry, and stable condition, while also reducing the risk of prolonged moisture, where fungi and bacteria can develop more easily. When the foliage stays clean, dried, and breathable, the plant can maintain more stable physiological activity, photosynthesize more efficiently, and build energy more effectively for future growth and bud formation. That is the full natural Anthurium care routine I use to help the plant grow stronger from the roots, stay cleaner on the leaves, and develop more steadily every day. When the roots are healthy and the leaves stay breathable, the plant can absorb light better, build energy more efficiently, and create a stronger foundation for budding and long-lasting blooms. If you found today's video helpful, subscribe to Flower Care Garden so you do not miss more simple, natural, and effective plant care tips in the next videos. Thank you for watching until the end, and I will see you in the next video.